How to change your product category on Amazon. I have seen that many of the new Amazon sellers made this mistake that they select a wrong category while listing their first product. And then they realize that their competitor are selling into another category, but they are selling their product into wrong subcategory. So what next? Like how you can actually change your product category after listing your product. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you complete process step by step, like how you can change your Amazon product category and how you can identify the correct category for your product. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now and I have opened Amazon.com here. So let's first learn how to identify the correct category of your product. For example, if your product is posture corrector. So let's just go on Amazon and type for your product. And then from here, you can just open one or two listings of your competitor which are having good reviews. So let's take this one and this one. So after opening the listing of your competitor, just click on the number of reviews here. Like you can see that this listing is having 1291 ratings. So when I click on this link, then Amazon will take me to the bottom of this page, and from here I need to scroll a little up and find the product detail tab, which is this. You can see this on the left side corner. Here's a tab called product detail, and in that tab under the ASIN you can see that bestseller rank. And this is actually showing the bestseller rank of this listing into the main category and into the subcategory. So you can see here the bestseller rank in health and household category is 7031. That means it is the main category, and the subcategory is back braces, in which the bestseller rank is 9. So that means the subcategory of this listing is back braces. So if you are selling the same product, then you must list your product into this category in order to get more sales and reach out to the exact audience which actually want this product. So to navigate on this category, you need to click on this category link like back braces. So when I click on that, you can see that on the left side corner, I can see the whole hierarchy from which I can just navigate to this category. You can see that the main category is health and household, then medical supplies and equipment, then braces, splint and support, and then at last back braces. So you can just use the same hierarchy while selecting your product category. So now you know how to identify the correct category. But here the question is how you can actually change your product category after listing your product. So for that, you need to go on Amazon Seller Central. And then from inventory tab, you need to click on manage all inventory. And after that, you will be able to see all of your listing. And from here, you can just click on this edit button, which is on the right side. So after opening the edit menu of your product, you need to go on vital info tab, which is the first tab. And after opening that vital info tab, you need to go down and see category tab. So here you can see that this is the current category in which your product is listed. So in case if you want to change that category, so from the right hand corner, you can see this edit button. So when you click on this edit button, you can see this new window, and from that window you can just navigate one by one to the category in which you want to list your product or which category you want to change for your product. So here if we take the example of that same posture corrector, then we need to go again on this page and see how we can navigate from there. You can see that the main category is health and household, then medical supply. So again go there and search for health and household, which is this one, and then medical supplies and equipment. Go there again. Braces, back braces, again braces, and back, neck and shoulder support, and here you can see that back braces. So if I want to change my category of this product to back braces, then I simply need to click on select there and then click on save and finish. Then after 15 to 20 minutes, Amazon will update your category and your product will be start showing in the new category. So 80% of the time this method will work for you, but sometime Amazon will not change the category from this method. So let's first try this method to your listing, and then if Amazon update your category, then it's super good. But if not, then you can just try a second method, which is a flat file uploading method. So I have already made a video on that method in the past. So to find that video, you need to go on YouTube and type here how to update flat file on Amazon. And after typing here, you can see this video of mine which says how to update Amazon listing with flat file. So go there, watch this video, and then try updating your category if that first method will not work for you. But as I said, 80% of the time that method works, and it's super easy and super simple. So go there, try out that method, and let me know in the comment box below if this method works for you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.